Long story short, she snores extremely loud. We've been together for 3 years. We've tried practically everything on both ends: earplugs, sound machines, mouth tape. We tried a mouthguard and it works super well, but she says it hurts her jaw, so she threw it away. We tried an at-home sleep study through her doctor, but she pretty much stayed up all night with it. Then when they analyzed it, they said she didn't necessarily need a CPAP. However, I hear these at-home tests are awful. This has been a massive pain point in our relationship. I tell her how poorly I am sleeping because of her snoring.